So today we're going to be installing Factor 55 UltraHook and Factor 55 Hitchlink. No, we're going to show you step by step how to do that, how to take this thing off, what blades to use, why you just can't get a regular sawzall, cut this stuff off, how to properly do it, and maybe kind of links on some things we're going to be doing next. So just check us out. Hitchlink is pretty self-explanatory. You just kind of get your link, line your holes up, slide it in. You just put that on, lock that in, and that's your Factor 55 Hitchlink 2.0 install. Very simple. So on this one, on the front, we're actually going to turn our remote on, and we'll run out. We'll run out this guy. But you got to turn on the remote first. We'll run him out. I'm gonna run him over and put him in a vise. We're at the point where we're gonna cut this hook off. So I kind of already have cut the hook off. I kind of just want to kind of show you. You just need to get a sawzall. This is a cheap one. You can get it at Harbor Freight. But the main idea behind any of it is you want to have a blade that's going to cut the right metal. So this is a Diablo blade. Man, it costs like $30. It cut pretty much anything. So any blade that you're going to get with something like that isn't going to cut a hook. So make sure you get you a nice blade that's going to cut the correct material that your hook's made out of. So to do the install on the UltraHook, you're going to need a set of snap ring pliers, and it's a real simple install. You basically just run your pin through your deal, put that in there, then you'll run your pin into your Factor 55 hook, and then you just line up your snap ring. So you just take your snap ring, kind of just put it in there, pop it in. Make sure it sit in real good in the groove in there. You can kind of turn it around, make sure it's set in there. And then once you do that, you just suck it back up onto the front of your Jeep. You just run that bad boy in, and it flips around. So what you want to do is just tighten her up. She's going to sit right there on the front of your Jeep looking just candy red.